Someone may have told you that affiliate marketing is an easy way to make passive income. And not just any passive income either, but recurring passive income. Passive income that you make month after month without having to do much work at all. But what's the truth? Can you really make money with affiliate marketing? And is it actually easy? And is it right for you? Well, in this video, we'll be taking a look at each of those questions and discovering whether or not affiliate marketing is really as amazing of an opportunity as people crack it up to be. But what's going on right now? What am I doing here? Well, I'm setting up to film today's YouTube video. And why are you watching me do this? Well, because affiliate marketing is a lot like making YouTube videos. I mean, there's a lot of things about them that are completely different, of course, but something that they have in common is that they both look pretty easy when you just look at those last few steps that are needed to get the actual result. When you just look at the process of filming the video itself, and you see someone sitting down and talking to a camera and then later uploading it to YouTube, it looks like making YouTube videos is really easy. But if you've ever made a YouTube video yourself, then you know it takes a lot longer than the 15 minutes you spend talking to the camera and the 5 minutes that you spend publishing the video on YouTube. Most people spend at least an hour planning each of their videos and probably another hour or two getting themselves and their space ready to film. Then you jump to that quick little part where you spend 15 or 20 or 30 minutes talking to the camera, but then you come to the editing. And if you've ever edited a YouTube video, you know how long that takes and how frustrating it can be. And then you publish it on YouTube. But what some people might overlook is that once you publish that video on YouTube, even if you put a lot of work into it, almost no one will watch it unless you've also done all the work of building up your audience. Well, affiliate marketing is really similar. You can take a quick look at it and you just see the exciting action steps. When someone signs up for an affiliate program and puts some links on their blog, and then someone clicks on those links and they make money. But if you only look at those really simple parts of the process, the parts that look so smooth and almost kind of sexy, well, you'll miss the bigger picture. So keep on watching so you can understand the complete affiliate marketing picture, what really goes into the process, what you really have to do in order to make money with it, and whether or not it's right for you. Okay, so first of all, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Let's just make sure we're on the same page. According to Google, affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. So basically, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you sign up with a website, an online retailer, someone who is already selling something, and you sign up to basically be a salesperson for their product. And then you send traffic to this online business. And if that traffic that you send actually buys, then you get paid a commission. So you're basically signing up to be a salesperson for another business, and then you're getting paid a referral commission. Now let's start by taking a look at that first, most basic question you might be wondering, which is just, can you make money with affiliate marketing? And the simple answer is yes. There are plenty of people who make plenty of money with affiliate marketing. I personally am an affiliate for Amazon, as well as several different software tools that I use to run my business. So these are products that I use from companies that I trust, and I want to share those products with you guys anyway because I know that they're great products that have really helped me and that they could potentially help you. And so if I'm going to be telling you about them anyway, then I might as well be an affiliate for these programs so that it's a win-win-win situation. You get the product and the results that the product creates, I get the commission, and the company that's selling it gets the sale. I did used to wonder if people were making up their affiliate marketing success stories, because when I first started with affiliate marketing, I did not make any money with it at all, and I kind of wondered if other people were really telling the truth. However, at this point in my life, I'm now making plenty of money from it myself, and I know lots of other people who are as well. However, that's not to say that there isn't a little bit more to this picture. Now, as long as we're talking about whether or not you can make money from affiliate marketing, let's also talk about how much money you can make. If you sell your own product, then you get 100% of the revenue from that sale. Now, you might have some expenses that went into actually making the product, but if you're selling a digital product, then you won't have very many expenses. However, when you're doing affiliate marketing and you're selling a product that you're an affiliate for, you're only going to be getting a percentage of the profit from that sale. It might be anywhere between about 4% all the way up to potentially as high as 75%. And just a little FYI, for most physical products, the affiliate commissions tend to be on the lower range, somewhere between 4 and 10%. However, for digital products, the commissions are much higher and tend to be somewhere around the 30 to 50% range. So how much money can you make? Well, obviously that all depends on how many sales you can drive. And that's really where the hard work is, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But if you're selling your own product and you're selling it for $100, then if you did 10 sales, then you would make $1,000. But if you made 10 sales for an affiliate product that cost $100, then you'd only make $500. So you are going to be making less money for every sale that you generate, and like I said, getting the sales is actually the hard part. So since you can make money with affiliate marketing, the next big question is, how easy is it? Is it easy? Is it really hard? Well, I would say that it is fairly simple, but it is a lot of hard work. As I explained at the beginning of the video, the most obvious parts of the process are pretty simple. All you have to do is sign up for an affiliate program and then share your affiliate link somewhere. It could be in the description of a YouTube video or on your blog or even just in an email to some of your email subscribers. And then if someone clicks on one of your links and buys the product, then you make money. And that's all you have to do. And from that perspective, affiliate marketing is really easy. Or at least it's really simple. But what that description fails to take into account is where the hard work really comes in. In order to be able to share your affiliate link with a lot of people, you have to somehow amass a large audience. And that doesn't simply mean that you have to get a lot of visibility, which would be challenging enough, but you have to get visible to the right people. You have to figure out who would want to buy this product, and then you have to somehow get in front of those people. In order to do that, you have to come up with some sort of information that those people want to consume, and then figure out a way to get that information in front of them so that they then follow you, and you later have the opportunity to share your affiliate link with them. As I'm sure you can see, this picture quickly gets a lot more complicated. And the real truth of the matter is that in order to make a full-time living with affiliate marketing, you really have to build an entire business yourself. So yes, affiliate marketing can make making money a little bit easier because you don't have to create a product yourself, but you still have to do all the other parts of building the business, including that biggest, most challenging part, which is marketing. In fact, when you sign up to be an affiliate for a company, you're really signing up to be that company's marketing team. Now, by saying that, I don't mean that you're being taken advantage of. I just mean that you need to know what you're signing up for, and you need to know all that you'll have to put into this in order to be successful at it. So, is affiliate marketing easy? Well, not really. You still have to do all the other parts of building a business, including the most difficult part of the process, which is actually driving sales. But the problem that I see with this scenario is that even though you'll be doing all that work, you'll only be realizing about half of the rewards, since you're only going to get about 50% of the profits as your affiliate commission. We've talked about, can you make money with affiliate marketing? We've talked about whether or not it's easy. Now let's talk about whether or not it's fast. And I bet that you can answer this question for yourself at this point. No, it's not really fast. In fact, I would say that that is one of the biggest myths about affiliate marketing, is that it's quick and easy, but really it can take just as much time to build a successful affiliate marketing business as it can take to build any other sort of business. The only way in which affiliate marketing really saves you time is that you don't have to develop a product for yourself. And so if you're working in certain industries where the product development process might be long and complicated, then affiliate marketing might be a good fit and it could save you a lot of time. But generally, especially if we're talking about creating some sort of digital product that's fairly simple to develop anyway, it's not going to save you all that much time, and you still have to spend all the time to build up the audience and to market the product and to actually develop your business. Affiliate marketing. You can make money with it, you can even make a lot of money with it, but it's not very easy and it's certainly not fast. So is it right for you? Well, despite all the negatives that I've mentioned in this video, I'm actually not opposed to affiliate marketing. As I mentioned earlier on, I actually make some money from affiliate marketing myself. I'm an affiliate for Amazon and for several different software products that I use myself. And as an affiliate, I make several $1,000s every single month. Affiliate marketing could be a great opportunity for you if product development is the thing that's holding you up. Maybe you have quite the following on social media already, or you've been blogging for a few years and you've really built up your email list, and at this point you realize, I have an audience, but I'm not making any money from it because I don't have a product to sell. Now, if you're in that position, you could take the longer road and develop a product yourself, and honestly, long term, I'd really recommend that you do that because you're going to have a lot more control over your income if you're selling something that you've made yourself, and you'll also be taking home more of the profits. However, if you're looking for an easy way to get started making money and you already have an audience, then affiliate marketing really can be a great way to tap into the earning potential of that audience that you've built. But on the other hand, if you're in the more common position of not having a large audience already, maybe you're just wanting to start up a side hustle, maybe you're ready to start building your business, or maybe you already have a business yourself. Maybe you're a freelancer or you have a product that you're selling, but you want to create more passive income for yourself. Really, affiliate marketing will probably not be the best option for you. Not only will it not start generating income very quickly, but when it does, first of all, it won't be very much money because you're only going to make a percentage of the profits. And second of all, it actually can be a lot more difficult to sell someone else's product that you don't necessarily fully believe in. Now, if there happens to be a product that you actually love and that you want to tell everyone about anyway because it's so amazing, then that actually could be a really good opportunity for you, because that means that someone else has developed a great product that will be really easy for you to sell because you really believe in it and they've done a good job marketing it already. But if you try to sell a product that has just been designed to be a great affiliate opportunity and isn't actually that awesome of a product itself, well, you're setting yourself up for a really hard time. Recently, I made a video called The Best Way to Make Passive Income. And in that video, I shared that the strategy that has been the most successful for me and has helped me to produce the most income has been to create digital products myself, information products to be specific. So I'm talking about online courses and membership sites. And the reason why I'm such a big proponent of these types of products is because they provide an easy way for you to create a product that can have a really positive impact on a lot of people's lives and also allow you to create significant passive income month after month. Now, if you want to learn more about how you could do this for yourself, then a great place to start would be by downloading my free Info Business Quick Start Guide. It's just a simple checklist that will show you the big picture process of what goes into creating and launching your own digital product. It doesn't get into all the nitty-gritty and tell you every tiny little thing that you need to do, but it will show you exactly where you need to start. Well, I hope that this video helped you understand whether or not affiliate marketing might be a good opportunity for you and your current situation. If you did enjoy this video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because I make 2 videos every single week all about entrepreneurship, success, and personal development, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. Also, if you haven't already, click right over here to watch that video I mentioned earlier about the best ways to make passive income. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Gillian Perkins, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.